Hi everybody, it's Kevin McNamara here and welcome to the next video. Today I want to talk about how to heal your thyroid gland. And we'll also talk about the best thyroid and prostate supplement. Turns out they're one and the same thing. This particular supplement we're going to talk about, which is called Thyroid Support, actually helps the prostate as well. So can you imagine that? We've got a prostate that's causing us dramas, and we've got a thyroid that's causing us dramas, and this one supplement can help both of those. Let's go take a look. So your thyroid is a very special and complicated organ that regulates metabolism, your development, and protein synthesis. It requires nourishing with trace minerals, especially iodine. A healthy thyroid is essential to normal intellectual function, metabolic rate, and calcium regulation. Now, if you have an underactive thyroid, which is known as hypothyroidism is associated with depression, fatigue, weight gain, and brain fog. So really important to look after your thyroid. The good news is I've come across a fantastic supplement that doesn't just help your thyroid, and this is good news for men, it also helps your prostate. Thyroid Support. Now, Thyroid Support contains iodine, which is essential for your thyroid. If you don't have enough iodine in your body, it can affect your thyroid dramatically. Selenium, likewise. Selenium is also good for your prostate. L-triacin, also known as just triacin, is a nootropic supplement that enhances your brain, your mood, and your stress response. So if you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling down, tyrosin really helps with the dopamine and the adrenaline part of your body. And zinc is absolutely amazing for your prostate. The more zinc you can have, the better your prostate is going to be. It does help reduce urinary symptoms that are linked to an enlarged prostate, so it does help with the inflammation of your prostate. So taking zinc is going to help you to urinate a lot better. As I say, it does help with the inflammation, and the inflammation is what causes the enlarged prostate. As I say, this supplement is amazing because it does help both your thyroid and your prostate. I love it. Vitamin B12, again, amazing for your thyroid. It's important for people with hypothyroidism because the B vitamins have many interactions with thyroid function and hormone regulation. Last but not least, ashwagandha. Now, ashwagandha is classified as an adaptogen, meaning that it can help your body, again, manage stress. It also provides all sorts of other benefits for your body and for your brain. For example, it can lower your blood sugar levels, can reduce cortisol, boost your brain function, and help fight symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's an amazing herb. And again, all this helps your prostate along with your thyroid. Definitely the best supplement I've found for both of these issues. There is a link in the description below to get your hands on some thyroid support. Definitely give it a go. As I say, it is amazing. I have only just recently purchased my own, and it is, like I say, it does everything it says it will do and more. It does say it will help support your energy levels, because with a underperforming thyroid, your energy levels are way down low. It supports focus and clarity. It supports healthy thyroid hormone production. But not just that, as I say, it is fantastic for your prostate. So I say, check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment below with any questions you might have about thyroid support or about prostate issues you might have. Please like our video, share it with friends who may be needing this kind of help. Click the little thumbs up like button there. Please like the video, it all helps, most certainly. Really appreciate your support here. As I say, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.